Hello, and welcome to General Ledger Training, how to run a custom report in the General Ledger. I'm starting this training from the home area. You can always go home by clicking the home icon. This time I'm going to start by going to the navigator, which is on the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Clicking that, and I'm going to click all the way over to the right. I am going to click Reports and Analytics. Clicking on that, Oracle's going to take me to this screen. And now in the upper right, I'm going to click on Browse Catalog. And this is going to bring me to the catalog of all reports that I have access to. If I click on the shared folder, you will see these directories, and now I'm going to click on Custom and Financials, and then I'm going to click on Global Reports, and then I'm going to click right on where it says GL Detail and Trial Balances. Once I click on this, I'm going to see a listing of all reports that are in that folder off to the right, and I'm going to click on the 313 GL Trial Balance Report, and you can tell by this icon, this orange report icon, that it is a custom report. I'm going to click on Open. The report I chose here was the 313 GL Trial Balance Report, which is one of the main reports users are going to be running to get all of their GL code combinations with their beginning period to date and year to date balances. So as you can see, the parameters are ledger, period name from, period name to, company, and currency. So I'm going to pick my ledger, which I'm going to choose USD. I'm going to pick my period from, let's say, March 19 to March 19. I'm going to pick my company code. In this case, I'm going to search, and I'm going to run this for all of company 500, which is, and I'm going to run this for US dollars. Now, when I pick the company code, I can either pick a parent value or a child value. I don't have to pick one or the other. So any of these values that you want to pick, if it's a child, it'll just run for that child. If it's a parent, it'll summarize it for all of the children underneath that parent. Hitting apply. And it's running. If at any time while it's running and you don't want this report, you say, oops, I made a mistake, you can always click here to cancel the report. Okay, once the report completes, it'll say report completed, and this report is set to dump out an Excel file. So as soon as the report's done, you'll see a file, an Excel file with the name of the report on the lower left-hand side of the screen. Click on that. And the report will open up in Excel. This report is going to be one of the key reports people run, so it has the the period name, and then all of the GL chart of accounts segments in separate columns. And then the last, and then with the natural account description, and then each of the beginning balance, period activity, and ending balance columns off to the right. So that's pretty much it. It's got the parameters on top. It's got the report. So now you're off into Excel, and you can do whatever you want to with this report. That is it for today. Thank you very much.